So let's also do string formatting. So you can use the F strings to do the string formatting for easy string formatting. So let me just show you how that is done. So let's remove this so that, or let's comment it out. You can remove that there. Just comment there. So let's go ahead, and we already have the name at the top. So Breton, we can have the age, which is, let's say, 24. That is the age. So age is an integer, so not that. And then let's do the string formatting. So print, we said you can use the F strings. So F, and then you have string, and you can have name. The name will be as we have noted up there. And then, so name is Breton, age will be that. Then you can have years old. Let's see if that works. So let's save that and let's run the file again. So you can see Breton is 24 years old. So that is how you do the string formatting. You can use the F strings, which is the easiest one to use.